major issue nti ame wa ha no pain.
Yeah.
There's a perception that is killing us as a country.
And they are dying.
That the dikai sa usha mentality no.
Adom busy usha.
No, make us na baby me made you with my cards in
Then the jana usha.
Sa usha mentality.
Yeah.
Say
before Kasabi. Yeah.
For instance, and over here Kumasa and Kotoko. Yes, your chief executive. Nana ya ponsa 38 years.
Usha. Small boy.
Yes, yo
special prosecutor usha. Yeah.
Obekom ya say attorney general
go for
and these are now 38, 39.
Minister Bishop.
Godfrey 42.
Yeah.
Special prosecutor 43.
Yeah.
Oko France, Oko Canada, Oko other. In fact, in
Macron,
Nigeria,
in
Nigeria,
president.
They started advocating say, Open so man penya. Omo they starting age group near 35. 35 years. And every time as a man no. Bra ultimately critical thinking. Now ultimately nyoma sefata ye. Age 25 to 35. And what do you pedianim bruta? Remember, age 25 to 35. Sabrino, you cannot be classified as akwada. For instance, your members of parliament who are I don't go by certain Dominic Nitul and Omura Mashib Jono.
Even a Yariga cry.
In Kuman. It's Ama Abeshe Ghana from Mabundu Dona Dream say. We are the Akrana at age 25 to 35 years, still ready. If we don't clear that mentality of Usha, that they be a member to sell a phone Kwana Abidi and Nimudia, then Omano can Kasano. It's a problem because and then baby we are saying we cannot use the old skills and styles to get to where the world is heading towards.
No back on what's up the weekend will be back as an Adom penny for no is it that they are cake? But where we've gotten to now, we don't entirely need in Penifon to always steer the affairs of wherever we find ourselves. No, I'm saying that Penimunifia, you cannot do that Penimun. Okay.
But Penimunifia, it doesn't also suggest that capability now.
Quality.
What is worrying is that 25, 35. Obama and Obama means Sinkete Kasebia. Because majority of the youth is the age bracket. With a far copy 40. A lot of stress, a lot of time wasting, a lot of nyoma ensem fata. Because one, on my gun and Anka say Kutia Quadar say, oh no, at age 25 even to 40, oh yeah, Quadar. Two, Aquada never born over take advantage, no, Mr. Aquada, Nipa Bono, over 2-1 and a more. Nasa Bren, what him dear, no, and also own to me because Kamakajano, any order the Bekakutia. So I want us to move from that mentality.
Okay.
As of mine, say, Obi Aquada, Nebu Besses, Aquada, who is our only pay for Didi.
Yeah.
It's Yenny Sahad in free a trim. So being a DBA and typical of these DBano, Nana Ponsa Oyakwada, a special prosecutor Oyakwada, a Oyakwada, name Minipa do one of Manya police, I would do mine him. No. So Aquada, who is Aquada? Penmu be to my Aquada. Penmu be near you now, be in your bachelor say,
Oyakwada.
Aquada be near your bed and didn't natural say, Oya Penmu. Did that so called mentality is gradually. It should fade out of the system.
Okay.
Because yen timi nkoso nkase de bia da no 60 ni 70 the chese onim nyansa na say which my can before. It's not true. Oba multimedia setup na emu a. Nkwada nkwa na take key positions. Nkwada and it's beautiful. Just nkwada say omunim say omo left from omo right. But these are people who have demonstrated over time.
That is
say who said on Bessia Tigo Waha, Obi Waha, what I say, Nipa Dodona Waha, Oko Joya, Nipa Dodona or almost demonstrate over time that in their youthful times, with that so called in quote, in peninfo position, they can do it.
And they are doing it well.
Doing it.
Yeah, delivering. Yeah.
It's your mind, Ghana, Messro, Nkwada Dodona, Wamusa Woro. It's high time we will give them that opportunity for them to demonstrate what they can do.
Right.
Now, Kwada do so I'm also imagine say, Moso, what the 25 years, that's who say, oh, yeah, Kwada. What the 26?
It's a society, I'm who so
yeah. What the 27? also that's ya kwada. At what age? 88 na bones when you
50.
So we should be careful.
50.
Yeah. Say, obi do say mfie na. Ye man use that energy, that power, that wisdom na onya media man. Neji almost more that age bracket ne say maza. Nyesi ye kan you obi anso ye ka say ye mama na kwanya. Say o ya abofra na so hunu nsa hohoro. Eti ye nyina ye hu ye nsa hohoro. Se ye pedibia bi akotena so dia. Ye hu ye nsa hohoro ansa na etime ko.
Amanyina say ma work ma me ka say me chiro. Ebra me work game pa. Na me ne papa bi na work class. Ana me chen say oh eja do say we are say ni ba beska ni ade. Obi say me say me dim fie say me boy no say nya mo chire. Only my hear me di answer me nyeska.
And that's a defeatist statement. It's a be only show. Oh yeah. It's to boss. It's a be obet my name. Let me. It's as self control about me.
I don't even fear that. Let me say that what is the 55 years and son and I'm
one open 55.
But you must have been 55
Obi want that opportunity now. But it's as a captain. Yeah. Oh yeah, Kwadanti. He's just wasting the time.
Yeah.
In the name of Apala.
Wait, and question there and I'm soft penny and he share BB.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, young, about 41-year-old man of God. I was born PhD. I go school.
Fantastic.
And one a soft penny phobia or mania by 17 year dear woman share whom was some will be a far anointing oil. Now, share exposition now young sophomore
or take
it on soft penny for now. As some man penny for so for brown was
I
feel now what bemu
Ayagala
you also position a young or so what take it
position